Hello YouTubers, welcome to Clarinet EDM. If you are new here, please do not forget to click on the like button, the subscribe button, and also the notification bell if you want more tutorials on any of the Google applications. Keep in mind that my job is to help you make your life easier by teaching you how to use your online resources effectively. Today we're going to be talking about 10 tips and tricks in 10 minutes about Google Calendar that you may not know about. My first tip and trick that I'm going to show you is this hyperlink button. Yes, the hyperlink button is so handy and so useful. And here's what I mean. This hyperlink button can basically hyperlink anything that has a URL. It can hyperlink your Zoom meeting, it can hyperlink Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Forms. It could also hyperlink websites and also YouTube channels. And it could probably even hyperlink or give you direct access to your email account if you choose to hyperlink that into your, description box, depending on which subject that you choose. In order to use the hyperlink button for Zoom, and I'm going to use this as an example. So this is the URL that you want to find when you receive your invitation. And what you're going to do is you're just going to copy that Zoom link, click on your time block on which you want that Zoom link to go under. So I'm going to use that one as an example and say Zoom link to class. Highlight it, click on the hyperlink button, and then copy and paste. Click on OK, and now your Zoom meeting is finally linked, and all you have to do is click on that button or that link and it will send you directly to your class. But most importantly, please do not forget to hit save, because if you don't click on save and click on all of the events, especially if this is a reoccurring meeting, then you're just gonna have to do it all over again. And also, make sure you click OK when you are done, and you will be ready for your next class. The second tip and trick that I would like to show you in Google Calendar is the attachment icon. This attachment icon will allow you to add attachments from your desktop and your Google Drive. So for example, we're gonna press this attachment icon that looks like a paperclip, and then instead of going to recents, my drive, or shared with me, you're going to click on upload, and you're going to drag your files from your desktop onto the place where it says drag files here. So I'm going to do exactly that right now, and I'm going to use my resume as an example. So once you've added in, you can add more files or delete them. You can do anything you want with them, and then click on upload. After when you are done uploading, it will be located underneath the attachment icon, and don't forget to click on save, because once it's saved, it will stay there for a long time. If it's not, then it will be deleted and you will have to do the process all over again. And your attachment will be located right here next to the drive icon. So the third tip and trick that I would like to show you is the email icon. And here's the thing, the email icon is very well hidden. Not a lot of people notice this because we tend to go to edit more often than email. So let's say somebody wants you to remind them that we have an interview meeting that's coming up. Well, all you have to do is click on your time block, click on this email icon here, type in the email address that you want to send to, and I'm going to use 2. And you can add in multiple if you like as well. Type in your message, say please do not forget to attend this meeting. Stay safe and healthy. And then click on send. And everybody that you send it to will receive this email. The fourth tip and trick that I'm going to show you is this time zone button right over here. So what's great about the time zone, I'm going to give you a straightforward example. So let's pretend that you have a class located in Chicago Central Time and you are currently in California. Well, what I want you to do is I want you to click on that time zone, then click on Event Start Time Zone. Once you clicked on that, you're going to find the time that is located in Chicago. You're going to find Central Time. So keep on scrolling down. And it looks like I found it. Here we go. And then I'm going to click OK. After when you click OK, do not forget to click save. And what happens here is that, as you noticed, instead of showing up as 9 a.m., it's now showing up as 7 a.m. because you are located in California's time zone. So the fifth tip and trick that I would like to show you on Google Calendar is the notification button. That notification button, what's great about it is you could keep on adding notifications. And you could add up to at least 5 notifications and customize it however you want to. You can send an email, you can customize the minutes to hours, days, or time, and along with the numbers. So keep in mind that if you need more than one notification, don't forget to click on the add notification if you want additional help to remind you things. So the sixth tip and trick I would like to show you in the edit section is the Google Map icon. What's great about Google Map is you can add the location of where your observation or meeting or anything that you have to attend is going to be. And I'm going to pretend that my observation is located at Northeastern Illinois University. And then I'm going to click on this icon right here, and it will automatically send me to Northeastern Illinois University. And when I'm done, I'm going to click on Save. After when it's saved, click on this time block, and it will say your observation is located at Northeastern Illinois University. Now, if you click on Northeastern Illinois University next to your Google icon, or Google Map icon, what is going to happen on your right side of the screen, that a map is going to appear and it's going to give you all the directions on how to get there. So the seventh tip and trick that I would like to show you on this time block is, well, the option button over here. If you want to duplicate your time block, which you totally can, you can click on duplicate, or you can copy it onto your personal schedule, your homework / assignments, your meeting and appointment, and all the other different parts of your life that we created earlier on this Google Calendar. So let's say I wanted to duplicate my science class, but I want it underneath homework and assignments. Well, I'm just going to click on that. It's going to send me directly to the edit page, and I'm going to say CI 450 science homework. And then just add in your description, notification, and everything else that we've talked about earlier. And don't forget to click on save, because that's very important. And your duplicate will appear. Now let's say you don't like how it looks and you want it to be separated a little bit further. Just don't forget to edit the time, click on save, and then just this event only. And then it will automatically go a little bit lower. So keep in mind that the option button is very helpful, especially if you want to categorize things that are this week and next week on the same page. So all it does is it duplicates another time block for you in a very easy way instead of creating another time block. The eighth tip and trick that I would like to show you is, well, the garbage bin icon. And the purpose of the garbage bin icon is basically, well, if you want to get rid of your time block, you throw it away, right? So you just click on the garbage bin icon if you don't want to see that time block anymore. And you could click on this event or all of the events, but you know what? I'm just going to click on all of the events so I don't have to do it consistently. The ninth tip and trick icon is located next to the question mark icon on its right. What's great about the setting icon is that, well, you can customize your density and color. So you can click modern or classic, responsive to your team screen, or compact. I'm going to click done. You can also print your weekly set calendar, and you have even multiple choices such as settings, trash, density and color, print, and get additional add-ons. If you click on the trash icon, anything that's deleted from before can be located here, and you could bring it back to life by either restore or delete forever. Last but not least, the final icon that I would like to let you look at is the Google app icon. The Google app icon will allow you to get from one place to another of any of the Google applications very quickly. Here it includes Gmail, Meet, Drive, Calendars, Google Photos, Map, you name it, YouTube, even Docs, Sheets, anything that you need, and so many more. Feel free to click on these applications and have fun with them by exploring new things online. In the comment section below, feel free to share your favorite tip and trick from this video, or if you have discovered another one that I probably missed, which is a possibility. Please share with me and the community that surrounds you. We like to know what you've discovered. But in the meantime, I hope you enjoyed this video on 10 tips and tricks in 10 minutes about Google Calendar. And if you do like this tutorial, please do not forget to click on the subscribe button, the like button, and the notification bell if you want more videos on Google Calendar or any of the Google applications. In the meantime, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.